Welcome! In front of me I've got Jaecoo 5. In this video I'll compare factory specification and real-world range of Jaecoo 5 and Jaecoo 5 EV. Follow me in this video to learn what is the real-world consumption of the fuel, power and what is the real-world range of Jaecoo 5. According to car specification, the maximum range of the Jaecoo 5 EV is 248 miles. But as we can read and listen to other drivers, they can even drive for 260 miles on the real world range. It is thanks to the 60 kWh battery installed in this car and fast charging from 30 to 80% in just 28 minutes. We have to add that the real world range on the highway driving at 70 miles per hour can decrease the maximum range to 160-70 miles. Now let's take a look at the Jaecoo 5 petrol engine. According to specification of the Jaecoo 5, the maximum fuel consumption in the mixed city urban motorway driving is about 7 liters for 100 km or 31 miles per gallon. The real world fuel consumption is not very different. In the urban driving you can even have 6.5 liters for 100 km and on the motorway it can reach even 8 liters for 100 km. The maximum range of this car is about 550 kilometers in total. Let us know in the comments what are your experiences with the Jaecoo 5 EV or petrol engine. We are really interested in knowing what is your fuel or power consumption. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.